What's up, Savvy Expats? We are on High Street, and this video is completely for you guys that are looking for some plants, or you guys are into gardening and that kind of stuff. We're gonna check out this garden that they have here, and so without wasting time, let's get into it. So kicking off the tour, here we are on High Street. This is just a little short video, guys, for you guys. You have restaurants here like Kiwami in St. Louis, but this is completely for this garden. And it's just gonna be a short little tour of this, just for any of you guys that want to check this out, or you are a plant lover. Heart Filipino. Oh, this is the exit, guys. I'm sure we can still enter through here. Cool. So as you guys can see, a lot of really cool options here. Look at that. So again, for you plant lovers, check this place out. If you want to put some plants in your condo or in your house, I recommend that you guys come over here and pick up some plants. Honestly, guys, I'm not very savvy when it comes to plants. This is Savvy Expat, not Savvy Planter, so I don't really know much of these types of variations, but they look beautiful. They look great. So, a really cool market. I'm sure you'd really be supporting these business owners as well. And a lot to check out. This really reminds me of just being in a jungle. I know you guys can it's kind of hard for you guys to understand the layout of this place, but just walk through and just check out all the different plants you have here. Hanging plants, we got everything. Vines that are coming down. Wow. Yeah. And even if you guys are not even looking for plants, you can just hang out over here. Just chill over here. Not too much people that actually are walking through, so it's very quiet. Everywhere outside in High Street, outside of this garden, is people walking around, but over here it's very quiet. So that's nice. So more options. As you guys know, as I said in the past, the pandemic made what they call nowadays a new term, plantitas and plantitos. Mostly plantitas though, that just plant and learn how to garden because of the pandemic and being inside all the time. So a lot of different options here. You guys get the idea. A lot to check out, and not only plants. What do you have here? I have like these sort of wood carvings. Wow. Whoever made this has a lot of skill. Weaved baskets. Look, you have these spoon things. Every Filipino household, little stereotype is we have these wooden forks and spoons, the huge things that you hang up on your wall. like you could literally use a spoon if you wanted to go canoeing if you wanted. We had that in my grandparents' house. Very cool. And an awesome view. Yeah, so very calm out here, very chill. And let's actually check out down this area. Cool. This one's a little bit more professional. Look at this. It's even in its own temperature controlled cage. Awesome. Yeah, so yeah, you even have like super big names for this. Guys, try pronouncing that and saying it 10 times fast. Awesome. Filipino Plant Club. Look at that. I like how they even have names for each of these stalls. Green Hub PH. So yeah, that was basically a little loop around it. There is a little bit more to check out, guys, so we're gonna go down there and see what we have. Alright. So guys, we're gonna check out the rest of the plant area. There's just a couple other stalls over here. So, and oh, by the way, guys, this bridge right here is really cool. I suggest you guys just walk up towards, there's like little steps over here. You can check out other restaurants. What the heck? That thing is a beast. Oh my goodness. You guys see that dog? So much bigger in person. But yeah, you guys, there's and sort of the entryway of High Street, there's some steps you can walk up, and then you can head up towards this bridge right here. But yeah, a lot of different plant options here. Very cool. And I'm sure that these were all probably planted in the province, then brought here to Manila. They're huge. That dog was gigantic, guys. Probably up to my waist. The camera does definitely does not give it justice. All right, and then show you guys a little bit more of the rest of High Street. There you have down that area, not High Street. There you have down that area, Shake Shack. Cannot talk to save my life right now. All right, and then Rolex right here, a watch house. And then down there you have Din Tai Fung. That's a Michelin star Taiwanese restaurant. So if you guys want to get plants, you guys can also grab a bite to eat as well here. A lot of cool dogs out here on High Street today. Alright. Very, very cool. As you can see, a lot of places that you can just sit and relax. There you have Din Tai Fung. We've tried the food here. It's not bad. Not bad at all. It's so funny because coming here to the Philippines, we have here in the Philippines just, you know, normal sized portions, or at least what you'd think would be normal sized portions if you're not an American. But if you're an American, you come to the Philippines, or any country outside of the Philippines for that matter, you're like, wow, these portions are so small. Is this a one serving, or is this like for a whole family? Because you don't know. But coming here to the Philippines, the portion size is definitely better if you're an American and you want to lose weight. So it's funny just seeing how small the portions are here, and that's one of the things I noticed at Din Tai Fung. Overall, guys, very chill environment here on High Street. There you have it. Still a couple more things that we can show, but I don't want to drag this out. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Our goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers, so we are not that far off. If you guys want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.